YouTube. This is Proof Weight Loss Surgery Works. It is supposed to be Tuesday, but I'm doing it on Wednesday. And I am Banded Wendy. And Anne will come up later today with her video, so this will be short-lived. But this week's topic, how has your weight loss affected your relationship with your significant other, spouse, family, friends? Along with that, have you encouraged them to do anything about their weight or to consider some type of weight loss program? And a combination of those things for me. Friends, I've actually gained new friends via YouTube and have found people who live locally to me here in Southern California. And we're there for each other, not only via YouTube, but via text message. We work out together. So it's really cool to gain new friendships to carry me and join me on this journey. In addition to that, my YouTube world is my Banded Wendy world, or my Proof Weight Loss Surgery Works world. My Facebook world, all the social networking, is where I'm connecting with long-lost old friends. And just recently I finished a 5K race that I've been training for. And an old high school buddy of mine saw the video, or actually didn't see the video, saw my Facebook posting that I had done it, I had completed it, and had seen random posts about me wanting to do it. And she was so inspired by my accomplishment that she's now doing. She's on week 1, just completed day 2 of the Couch to 5K. And now we're actually chatting via online of Facebook about weight loss and how hard it is. So that's pretty cool because I became passionate about it because I'm living it. So it's great to have those friends, new and old, involved with it. My family, immediately after weight loss surgery, my brother, who was always the thin one, the fit one, the athletic one, never had a weight issue, has actually started finally to gain some weight. He's still thin, but he was so impressed with the amount of weight I lost just in the short period of time with the pre-op liquid diet that he actually started, instead of drinking soda, he's been drinking Diet Snapple iced tea, which is great. He did like a liquid diet, just soup and salad on occasion, and he lost some weight. So that's kind of cool. My boyfriend, quite honestly, my boyfriend is a 6-year post-op gastric bypass patient, and probably without knowing him and living with him, I would have been not aware or not really even considered weight loss surgery. So he inspired me to change to a certain extent. And now I'm helping him in his maintenance. And I'm going the exercise route, which he says that he exercised when he first had surgery, but I've known him 2.5 years and never seen him set foot in the gym. But we're having conversations now about him wanting to go to the gym and how he could stand to lose 10 or 15 pounds. So that's cool. He also realizes that my gym time is something that is the utmost importance to me. And so instead of that hanging out time, that extra hour that we would hang out, have fun, that's Wendy time. And whether we're out of town on a romantic getaway or just living our normal life day to day, I get my exercise in. Food police, he polices me a little bit and I police him a little bit. So that's kind of cool. Lap band patient, I sometimes, PB if you want to call it that. But food hurts and doesn't stay down on occasion. And gastric bypass people get nausea and get sick too sometimes. So I was always very supportive of him, watching him do it prior to my surgery. But now when it happens to me, he's like, oh, so we're kind of even more alike. So he has a really good understanding about it, and that is a great support to me. So pretty cool. And even my job, my coworkers, I've changed my whole schedule. I work different hours. My boss recently asked me why I was doing that, and he knows about my lap band. And I said, because I'm going to the gym, I'm running a 5K, and I gotta optimize my day. So, and my coworkers, my friend has mentioned, oh, you're gonna eat a cookie? And that was when I had taken the first bite of the cookie, and I let him know like 3 hours later that I still had half the cookie left. So, they're supportive. What else? Do I feel more confident in my skin? Is the other question. Well, I gotta tell you, I'm a confident person. I'm fortunate that way. Because I set goals for myself, always have and always will, and when you accomplish goals, you get a little bit more confident. So in my brain, I've always been confident. In my skin, I'm working on it every day, and the fact that I exercise and try to exercise more and more, my body hurts, man. It's aching, it's transforming. And just that building of new muscle and reshaping myself is definitely making me more confident in my skin. So think about that, guys. Think about your relationships with people. Think about your relationships with your friends, your coworkers, your loved ones. I'm addicted to YouTube as far as my boyfriend goes, and I got to make sure that when we're together, because we're not home together very often, we both travel a lot, that I spend quality time with him and put YouTube away. So be warned. But anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry I was late, camera issue, battery thing, but I'm here, and I wish you all a fabulous week. Thank you for tuning in. Proof Weight Loss Surgery works 7 days a week right here. Rate, subscribe, and see you next time. Have a great week. Bye.